In this video, you'll learn the difference between void tags and other HTML tags you've learned so far. Void tags don't need a closing tag like regular HTML tags. Here's an example of a void tag. As you can see, it's like opening the tag, but then you close it within the same tag. A void tag doesn't need input. It doesn't contain anything like a regular HTML tag does. So let's show an example of this. Clear this. So a regular HTML tag, as I've taught you so far, let's take paragraph example, is you have an opening tag here and then a closing tag, and then it contains some kind of things. Remember I said that tags are like Tupperware containers that contain different kinds of food. So inside this paragraph tag, you'll have some text. Now, void tags are different because they don't contain anything. So an image is one example. Now, in order for an image to actually display, an image tag has attributes that you can use, which we're going to look more at in the next video. But just to give a short example, it'll go like this. And then you put in the URL of, let's just look for an image real quick. Let's say robots. Oops, let's find an image. Copy image URL. So this is not an actual input. It's an attribute. Make it to where you can see this better, since the link is so incredibly long. So here you can see the difference between a regular HTML tag that contains some content and a void tag that doesn't take anything, but it uses attributes. Let's make another example to make this more clear, and I'll just delete everything. So let's have some more text, and here is a line break void tag. You see how it created a line right here? That's a line break. And it's a void tag because it doesn't have any inputs. And that's the difference between a regular HTML tag and a void tag. And here, there's a list of more void tags in the download section to the right. So just check that out and you can see everything you have available to you. So in the next video, we're going to go over more about HTML attributes like you just saw in that image tag and how to incorporate them into our tag repertoire.